amid decades of China's rapid urbanization. Industrial plants often faded into forgotten corners. Yet in Zhengzhou, one such place defied oblivion. Rather than being erased by time, it has been reawakened and endowed with new life. Zhengzhou Ersha Creative Park, formerly the Zhengzhou No. 2 Abrasives Factory. A major national industrial enterprise founded in the 1950s. In that era of industrial nation building, it stood as a beacon of Zhengzhou's manufacturing prowess and a spiritual anchor for countless working-class families. Step into Ersha today, and the past still greets you: red brick, steel trusses, arched windows. These preserved architectural elements are not nostalgic ornaments, but living fossils of the city's architectural DNA. The meaning of architecture transcends form. It is a living manuscript of history, a resonance device between space and human presence. Here, a design ethos emerges: to neither demolish, replicate, nor embellish, but to honor the traces of time as integral to the design. The former machine repair hall is now an art gallery. Old warehouses have been transformed into design studios and cafes. Industrial austerity and contemporary warmth coexist in spatial harmony. This is a restrained yet powerful renewal. A reminder that the old in a city is not a burden to progress, but a cultural point of departure. From an urban studies perspective, Ersha Creative Park signifies more than site reuse. It is an act of repair on a metropolitan scale. It fills the spatial void left by industrial decline and mends the emotional gap in urban renewal. Where once materials were stockpiled, today, public culture is cultivated. Dubbed Zhengzhou's urban living room, it earns this name not only through openness and inclusion, but through its effort to confront a fundamental question: how can Chinese cities preserve identity amid rapid growth? Ersha offers Zhengzhou's answer. Not by erasing history, but by engaging with it. Every factory encapsulates the spirit of its era. Ersha once held generations of workers' labor and lives. Their skills, memories, and beliefs have become part of Zhengzhou's cultural fabric. Here, industrial relics are no longer cold heritage sites, but vessels for living culture. Humans reconnect within space, and memory is continued through the present. What endures is not only the physical structure, but the city's spiritual origin. Tadasha is a field of cultural creativity, a benchmark for architectural regeneration, an echo of urban memory. It connects the past and inspires the future. Above this site, quiet for decades, a new Zhengzhou is quietly taking root.